Before starting the sachet water business, I will encourage you to always have in mind that you are earning back a double of your investment. That is every amount that you spend on the machines, installation, and in fact, everything required that is required to get the business up and running. It is also important to keep track of all your expenses and focus on achieving these returns. Hello wonderful people, you welcome back to another video. It's your boy Nick Asa. If this is your first time, you are welcome. On this channel I talk about everything in relation to how to do stuff. Stick to this channel, don't go anywhere. In today's video, what I have for you is amazing. I'm going to demonstrate to you how you're going to be able to know that you are making profit in your sachet water business or you are running losses. Stay tuned. Now, in order for you to know that you're making profit in the sachet water business, you start taking records of every produce that you make. Keep records of kgs of nylon, bots, packaging bags, energy spent during treatment and production, amount of fuel purchased during sales on the market, riders commission, baggers commission. You have to look at all these areas and keep records of all these areas. In so doing, you will be able to know that you are making profit or you're running at losses. So we are going to look at these areas in order for us to be able to do our calculations. So currently the roll has been the price of the roll has been increased, and then per kg is now 37 Ghana cedis. Those of us who are in Ghana knows what I'm talking about, and if you are outside Ghana, you can convert it into your local currency and get it right. So I'm going to take these areas one after the other, help us do all the calculations and the expenses, so that at the end of the day, if we are making profit, if we are losing, we will be able to know. Okay, so guys, without wasting much time, I will advise that we will grab a pen and a sheet so that we can do this together. So I have prepared a list before me. I'm going to look through this list so that we do the calculations together. So currently in Ghana, the nylon rubber, which is also known as the roll, is now 37 Ghana cedis. That is per kilo. Kg is now 37 Ghana cedis. Now, for the purpose of this video, I am taking 20 kilos for the calculation for this video. So kg is now 1 kg is now 37 Ghana cedis. So let's assume that we are taking 20 kilograms for the purpose of this video. Okay, so this is my pen. You can also grab your pen and a sheet as we do this together. So 1 kg is 37 Ghana cedis multiplied by 20 is going to give us 740 Ghana cedis. That is the price for one roll. Currently the price for one roll is 740 Ghana cedis. That is 20 kg. If you are ordering for 20 kg, the price is 740. Now let's look at packaging bag. Packaging bag is 37 Ghana cedis. That is per bundle. A bundle has 100 pieces. A bundle is made up of 100 pieces. In some instances, it is not up to 100. You will get like 96, maybe 95, 94. Yeah, if you are lucky, you will get 100, all the 100 pieces. So the packaging bag is a bundle is 36 Ghana cedis. So if we are taking 20 kg, then we are targeting at least 5 packaging bags. Okay, so 5 packaging bags, 36 multiplied by 5 is going to give us 180 Ghana cedis. 180 Ghana cedis. That is 5 packing bags, because we are doing 20 kg roll. So we are targeting 5 packaging bags. Now let's look at let's say after production we are able to make 420 bags. After production we are able to make 420 kg was able to give us 420 bucks. Okay, so with the 420 bags, we are looking to sell each bag for 7 cedis. Currently, most producers are selling it for 8 cedis, some are selling it for 7, some are doing 6 cedis. So for the purpose of this video, let's look at it with the 7 cedis per bag. So 420 pieces, let's say for instance, we are able to sell all the 420 bags without casualties, without damages. Okay, so we are going to get 2,940. So 7 times 420 is going to give us 2,940. So at the end of sales on the market, at the end of selling 420 bucks, we are able to make 2,940. Now we are going to deduct all the expenses that we made in the course of doing the production. This will help you know whether you are making profit or you are running losses at the end of selling each row purchased. Okay, so after you have sold all the 420 bags, you don't have to deduct these expenses from the actual profit that you gain. So with the 2,940, we are going to look at, for instance, we with energy we spend 300 Ghana cedis. So let's say in the course of production we bought prepaid or light or electricity for like 300 Ghana cedis during treatment, during production, during drawing the water from the borehole from the ground. Okay, so let's say we spend 300 Ghana cedis, and then let's say during sales on the market we spent 300 Ghana cedis on fuel. So I want you to be writing these figures down so that you can do the calculation and get them right. Okay, so let's say fuel, we spent 300 Ghana cedis on fuel. Let's note that also down. Let's say with the row is 740 Ghana cedis. We have to take that out quickly because now the row is finished. We will need another money to go for another row. So that is the first thing that we have to take out from the profit. 740 Ghana cedis, that is the amount we spent on the row. Now we've taken that out, we've taken energy out, we've taken fuel out. Now packaging bag, we targeted 5, which is equivalent to 180 Ghana cedis. And then we are looking at baggers commission. So anytime a bagger make like 100 bucks, they are taking 25 Ghana cedis. So 100 bag, 25 Ghana cedis, 420, we are looking at 105 Ghana cedis. Yes, 105 Ghana cedis. Now let's look at driver's commission, or driver or a rider's commission. So when a rider or a driver sells 1 bag, he is taking 80 pesos. Some are taking more than that, some are taking like 1 cedi, but the majority of people are taking 80 pesos. So when a rider or a driver sells 1 bag, they have a commission of 80 pesos. So multiplying that with 480 bucks, we are looking at 336 Ghana cedis. That is for the rider. Now let's do the calculation. So the 2,940 Ghana cedis, we are taking 300, which is energy, out, and we are taking another 300, which is fuel, out. We are taking 740, which is the price of the roll. We are taking 180 Ghana cedis, which is the 5 packaging bags. We are taking it out. We are taking 105 Ghana cedis out, which is a bagger's commission. We are also yes, I think that's all. So after taking all these things out, we are taking a rider's commission also out, which is 336. Now the amount left is 979. This is the profit that we are getting after selling 420 bags, each bag for 7 Ghana cedis. This is what we will get. Now with the 979 Ghana cedis, you can decide to take 100 Ghana cedis, save it somewhere for maintenance. That one depends on you, but I am suggesting you can take 100 Ghana cedis elsewhere, save it for maintenance, so that you wouldn't have to touch your actual profit in case you have any maintenance to do. Okay, so let's say you've taken 100 out. Now it's left with 879 Ghana cedis. So if you are able to sell each row, that is 20 kg row, you are making 879 Ghana cedis. That is what you are making after selling a 20 kg row for 7 cedis per bag. Okay, so if you are able to sell like 6 rows in a week, if you're able to sell 6 rows in a week, now you are getting 5,274. So that is what, if you have more customers and if you're able to sell one row, if you're able to sell 420 bags a day. So now let's look at people who sell like 1,000 bags a day. That means they are making a lot, huge money. They are making a lot of money. If you're able to sell 420 bags a day, you are looking at 879. And if you're able to sell 20 kg row, five of that 20 kg within a week, you are making 5,274. So you can see there's a lot of money there. Yes. So this will enable you to be able to know that you are making profit, or you are conceiving losses in your production business. So if you are a producer of sachet water and you are not doing this, you will not be able to know whether you're making profit or you are losing, because at the end of the day you are thinking of the investment you made in the machines, the installations, and what have you. You need to recover all this amount and keep them somewhere. That is when you will know that now you are into the business. But at the end of the day, if you have invested all this amount in this business and you cannot the money in your coffers doesn't even is not even closer to the expenses you made on the machines and setting up a factory, then you are losing. So doing this calculation will really help you, will enable you to know that things are going on well or you are losing. Okay, so this is all I have for today's video. If you have any comment, you can leave it in the comment section. Let us know how you do your calculation after selling each row. If this video has been helpful to you, like, share, and subscribe. See you in another video.